Dear student, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss here the question that is called as the preparations of a carboxylic acid or the chemical reactions of aldehyde and ketones. You know, chemically the aldehyde is more reactive as compared to ketones. You know, depend upon the two factor. Clear? Steric hindrance and what इंडक्टिव इफेक्ट जो आपको पता है. ठीक है. तो अब यहाँ पे बेटा क्वेश्चन हमारा वो है, उससे पहले क्वेश्चन हमारा एक बाकी है, वो स्टार्ट करेंगे हम लोग. इट इज कॉल्ड एज क्रॉस कैनेजरो रिएक्शन. वो स्टार्ट करना है हमको. सो वी स्टार्टेड हियर द क्वेश्चन इट इज कॉल्ड एज द क्रॉस कैनेजरो रिएक्शंस. इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. व्हाट इज अ क्रॉस कैनेजरो reactions? Yesterday we take the question that is called as the Cannizzaro reactions. Today we discuss here the what here the question, the cross Cannizzaro reactions. You know what is the Cannizzaro reaction? So the chemical reaction in which the two similar aldehyde and ketone, clear? Sorry, the compound in which the two aldehyde is react. So the aldehyde does not contain alpha hydrogen, is react to each other to form the what here. One is called as the sodium benzoate, depend upon the compound. Second is called alcohol. So it is called as Cannizzaro reactions. But today we discuss here the question that is called as cross Cannizzaro reaction. So the cross Cannizzaro reaction is defined as the reaction in which the when two different aldehyde. So we take the chemical reactions here. So two different aldehyde. One is called as the formaldehyde, means HCOH is the formaldehyde. Is react with a second molecule of the aldehyde. It also does not contain alpha hydrogen. That is called what here? Non-ionizable compound. So we take the benzaldehyde. So one molecule of what here? The formaldehyde is react with a second molecule of benzaldehyde. Clear? Both are does not contain the alpha hydrogen. So when two different mixtures of two different aldehyde, one is formaldehyde and benzaldehyde, this is also called as the what here? Non-ionizable compound. So non-ionizable compound, this reaction take place in presence of what here? Dilute NaOH and react with a water molecule called as hydrolysis. So when two different what here aldehyde called as the one is formaldehyde, second is called as what here? Non-ionizable compound, or what here? Benzaldehyde, both are does not contain a what here? Alpha hydrogen. To form, it means the formaldehyde form the formic acid. So formula HCOOH, formic acid, whereas the benzaldehyde is formed the what here? Alcohol. So we take the second reaction. What we take a second reaction? Benzene attached to the CH2OH. So it is called as what here? Alcohol, and it is called as what here? Formic acid. So the question asked in examination, explain the what here? The cross Cannizzaro reaction. So it is defined as the mixture of aldehyde, it means the one formaldehyde and second what here? Benzaldehyde or non-ionizable compound react to each other in presence of dilute NaOH, is react with a water molecule to form the what here? Formic acid and alcohol. So it is called what here? The cross Cannizzaro reactions. ठीक है बेटा, दोनों में बेटा चेंज है. यहाँ पे क्रॉस कैनेजरो रिएक्शन है तो दोनों जो अल्डिहाइड लेगी वो कैसे रहेगी? डिफरेंट लेगी, अलग लेगी. और अगर रिएक्शन कैनेजरो रिएक्शन है तो उसमें दोनों जो अल्डिहाइड कीटोन कैसे इक्वल रहेगी. यहाँ पे दोनों अलग है. यहाँ फॉर्मल्डिहाइड है बेटा, 1 कार्बन फॉर्मल्डिहाइड, दिस कंटेन व्हाट इज 7 कार्बन कॉल्ड इज बेंजाल्डिहाइड. सो सेकंड इज कॉल्ड व्हाट इज नॉन-आयोनाइजेबल कंपाउंड. क्लियर? नाउ वी टेक द सेकंड क्वेश्चन हियर, द ऑक्सीडेशन and what here? Reduction. The oxidation and reduction of what here? The aldehyde and what here second, and ketones. Clear? So when oxidation of aldehyde and ketone take place in presence of some oxidizing as well as reducing agent. So first we take the question here, the oxidation of what here, the oxidation of aldehyde and what is second, ketones. You know the reactivity of aldehyde and ketone, in which the aldehyde is more reactive than ketone. You know the reason is there, okay, in the physical property of aldehyde and ketones. So the aldehyde is easily oxidized into carboxylic acid because the aldehyde is more reactive, but here the ketone is less reactive, so it requires some condition to change the aldehyde into what here, sorry, ketone into what here, the carboxylic acid. Now how to reduce how to oxidize the aldehyde into carboxylic acid? So we take the chemical reactions. So when aldehyde means RCHO, clear hai, aldehyde is, when aldehyde on oxidation means addition of what here, oxygen take place in presence of what here, in presence of KMNO4 or K2Cr2O7, both are strong oxidizing agent. So with the help of oxidizing agent we added oxygen called as oxidation of aldehyde. So when aldehyde, it is aldehyde, clear hai beta, on oxidation, aldehyde on oxidation in presence of KMNO4 and K2Cr2O7 or what we take again, dilute H2SO4 also act as oxidizing agent. So what we get here, so this O attached to in between the this carbon hydrogen, we get RC as it is, this OO and H called as what here, carboxylic acid. It means the aldehyde are easily oxidized into carboxylic acid because aldehyde is more reactive than ketone. So we get what here, from the aldehyde on oxidation what we get, carboxylic acid. Now second here, if you take the example of what here, the oxidation of what here, if you take the example of oxidation of ketones, so ketone are less reactive as compared to aldehyde, so it requires some conditions. So when a ketones, so with the ketone RCOR, when a ketone on oxidation take place in presence of special catalyst, we take the CrO3, okay. So in presence of what here, CrO3. So when we oxidation of the ketones, so in this reaction the oxidizing agent CrO3 are first break the C single bond C. तो यहाँ पे बेटा दो कंडीशन है, C सिंगल, यहाँ का बॉन्ड ब्रेक होगा, ये इसको नंबर देगी कार्बन नंबर फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड अगर दिया तो ब्रेक यहाँ से भी कर सकते हैं और यहाँ से ब्रेक करेगा, ठीक है बेटा, क्लियर है. सो फर्स्ट ईयर इफ यू ब्रेक दिस what here RCO bond here, so what we get here, so we get this R, clear, so we get this R and attached to what here, COH first molecule, second molecule here what here same, if you break this bond, so what we get remaining RCO and attached to OH called as what here, RCOOH called as the two molecule of carboxylic acid. क्लियर है बेटा. इन्हें आपको यहाँ भी ध्यान देना है कि अगर आप कंपाउंड को ब्रेक करते हैं तो कहाँ से ब्रेक कर रहे हैं. एक्चुअली दिस CrO3 आर एक्ट एज व्हाट हियर ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट, इट ब्रेक द डायरेक्टली C सिंगल बॉन्ड C बॉन्ड एंड एडेड द व्हाट हियर OH डिपेंड अपॉन द कंपाउंड. ठीक है, क्लियर. सो वी एडेड R हियर, दिस R ब्रेक एंड व्हाट वी एडेड हियर, वी एडेड अ कार्बोक्सिलिक ग्रुप. सो ये आपको याद रखना है बेटा कि ये जो CrO3 है कंपाउंड, ये ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट स्ट्रांग होता है जो C सिंगल बॉन्ड C बॉन्ड को ब्रेक करता है और ब्रेक करने के बाद डिपेंड अपॉन द कार्बन को वहाँ पर OH और COH को अटैच करता है. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर R को ब्रेक किया तो वहाँ क्या ऐड किया उसने COR कॉल्ड एज द कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड एंड सेकंड RCO एज इट इज है, यहाँ पे OH अटैच किया तो क्या हो गया RCOH. एग्जाम्पल नंबर सेकंड, this R replaced by the CH3 COCH3. Same here, we number the carbon first, second, third. Break this C single bond C with the help of what here, chromine oxide as the oxidizing agent. Break this bond. So what we get? CH3 and attached to which group here? Carboxylic group COH, and second CH3CO, what here? CH3COOH, called as what here? Formic, what here? Acetic acid. It means 2 molecule of acetic acid. Now we take the second example here. If example will be changed here, so what we get here? So we get here, if we added a CH3 single bond C double bond O CH3, it is the example of what here? Complex ketones or unsymmetrical ketones in presence of what here? Same CrO3. What we get here? So if we break this bond, so what do we get? We get a CH3. अगर यहाँ पे C2H5 ग्रुप लिया बेटा हमने, ग्रुप को चेंज किया बेटा यहाँ पे C2H5 ग्रुप लिया है, तो व्हाट वी गेट? सो वी गेट ए कार्बन नंबर फर्स्ट, सेकंड एंड थर्ड. सो व्हाट वी गेट? वी गेट यार CH3 एंड अटैच टू विच ग्रुप यार? COH. ये आपको याद रखना है बेटा. अगर CH3 है तो वहाँ पर COH ग्रुप अटैच करेगी, और अगर CO ग्रुप तो वहाँ पर OH ग्रुप को अटैक करेगी. ठीक है, CH3 COH. रिमेनिंग दिस C2H5. This C2H5 also write as CH3 CH2. Clear है? C2H5 also write as what here? CH3 CH2. Remaining what here? CO and attached to what here? OH. It means it form the one molecule of what here? Acetic acid, and second molecule of what here? Propanoic acid. Clear है? So in this way we take the what here? If you break the what here? Aldehyde into carboxylic easily, it form the what here? The carboxylic acid, but we break the what here? The ketone into carboxylic acid. It required some vigorous or what we take here? The special condition. So this CrO3, it is a strongly oxidizing agent, break directly C single bond C, and with the help of this C single bond C breaking, we added a COH group and OH group. So when two similar group, we take the 2 carboxylic acid. When two similar CH3, we take a 2 CH3. Next here, when we change the C2H5 group, so that's why the group name of the compound also change. So first we take the acetic acid, second is called what? Propanoic acid. ठीक है, अब वो कंडीशन पे डिपेंड है बेटा. अगर यहाँ से ब्रेक कर सकते हैं, यहाँ से ब्रेक करेगी. ठीक है, अगर यहाँ से ब्रेक किया तो ये मिलेगा, अगर यहाँ से ब्रेक किया तो क्या मिलेगा? सेम ईयर. व्हाट ईयर? फर्स्ट R COH R COH. अगर यहाँ से ब्रेक किया हमने रिएक्शंस में तो व्हाट वी गेट ईयर? सो वी गेट ईयर C2H5 COH, ये मिल सकता है, एंड द लॉस ऑफ व्हाट ईयर? CH3 COH. ठीक है, इस तरीके से हम रिएक्शंस को कैरी ऑन करते हैं. कंडीशन डिपेंड करके बेटा, यहाँ से ब्रेक करेगी, यहाँ से ब्रेक करेगी, बिकॉज दिस CrO3 आर एक्ट एज व्हाट ईयर? द ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट विच ब्रेक द C सिंगल बॉन्ड C. तो C सिंगल बॉन्ड C ब्रेक करने के बाद हम COH ग्रुप और OH ग्रुप लगाते हैं यहाँ पे. ठीक है, डिपेंड अपॉन द कंडीशन. ओके, सो इन दिस वे वी टेक द क्वेश्चन क्रॉस किनेजो रिएक्शन. इट मीन्स व्हेन द टू डिफरेंट formaldehyde or aldehyde does not contain alpha hydrogen are mixed to each other in presence of dilute NaOH and react with water molecule, it form the formic acid and what here? Alcohol. अब यहाँ पे H2O लिया बेटा, तो रिएक्शंस को कैरी ऑन कैसे किया था हमने? यहाँ का जो H है ना, क्लियर है, तो वो H को कहाँ पे शिफ्ट किया? O को, ऑक्सीजन को शिफ्ट किया यहाँ पे, तो क्या बन गया हो? HCOH. रिमिंग दो H है उसको हमने अटैक किया दिस कार्बन. ठीक है, ओके, एंड दिस ऑक्सीजन. सो व्हाट वी गेट हियर? वी गेट अ बेंजीन CH2OH. It is called as the alcohol. So in this way we finish the what here? The preparation of what here? The formic acid and alcohol, or the chemical reaction of aldehyde and ketones. And last we started here oxidation and reduction of the aldehyde and ketone. So oxidation of aldehyde and ketone, in which the aldehyde is easily oxidized to the carboxylic acid, but the ketone is a less reactive. That's why it requires some condition, especially CrO3 means a chromium trioxide will break the C single bond C bond and change into what here? Carboxylic acid. Depend upon the atom attached to the ketone group. ठीक है, इस तरीके से आपको याद रखना है. ठीक है बेटा, उसके बाद का क्वेश्चन हमारा है रिडक्शन ऑफ द अल्डिहाइड एंड कीटोन उसको हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में देखेंगे. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच.